Welcome to CloudPhone from Spark. In this video, we'll show you how to configure a user's voicemail. Firstly, you'll need to log into the admin portal via cloudphone.spark.co.nz/rep and log in with your CloudPhone admin username and password. Once you're logged in, click on the Users tab and select Actions. Select Edit against the user you would like to modify. The Edit User window will appear. Select the voicemail from the left-hand menu. To enable voicemail for a user, select the toggle against Voicemail Service. Here, you can choose to send all calls to voicemail, when busy send calls to voicemail, and/or send unanswered calls to voicemail. You can also reset the user's voicemail PIN from this window by selecting the Reset Voicemail PIN button. To configure additional voicemail notification settings, select the toggle against Notify me of any new voicemail messages and then select Via Email and the email address that should receive an alert. Additionally, you can choose to enable the following settings from here. Check Transfer on 0 to phone number and enter a phone number where callers can transfer from voicemail by dialing 0 if applicable. If enabled, enter the destination to where calls should be transferred. If this feature is configured, ensure to record your voicemail greetings. Check Email a copy of message to if you want to send an additional copy of the voicemail message to an email address and then enter the email address. For fax messaging, select the toggle to enable. Make sure you requested this feature prior. If enabled, select the number you'd like to receive inbound faxes for the user from the drop-down list. Assign an extension number for the fax number if applicable. For message storage, select Use System Mailbox if you want messages accessed by a phone or the My Phone Next dashboard. Then check Use Phone Message Indicator if applicable. Or you can select Use External Mailbox if you want all messages to be sent as a file to the email you entered for the user. Files will be sent as a .wav for voicemail and a .tiff for fax. Under Greetings, you can select the number of rings before the greeting is played. Then, you can modify two types of voicemail greeting options, busy and no answer. The busy greeting will be played when the user is on the phone and voicemail is enabled, and call waiting disabled, or when do not disturb is enabled. The no answer greeting will be played when the user cannot answer their phone. Greetings can also be recorded by dialing the phone portal by pressing the message button on your VoIP phone and entering the voice portal password. Select the number of rings before playing a greeting before a voicemail greeting is played. Select the type of message callers here when the line is busy, either default to play the default system greeting or custom to upload your own customized greeting. If you select to use a customized greeting, then all greetings must be set as CITT ULAW 8000 kHz, 8-bit mono, and WAV file format. Finally, select Save to save your changes. So now you know your way around. Jump in and have a look. Or for more information, check out our help content online at spark.co.nz/CP help.